All right, we are going to start a research project, and I think you will find it quite enjoyable. It's going to tie into loosely The Stars Below Me, that story we already read. So, what we're going to do today is step one and step two. So, it's going to be pretty simple, but I think you're going to enjoy beginning the research on this. So, if you guys will look at step one as I kind of walk us through this. It says step one, it says reread the first page of the story. And then it says, think about why Mara likes looking up at the night sky with her telescope. Then consider the following question. Okay, now this is the question you're going to be really thinking about here for right now. What can we learn by studying stars, planets, and other objects in space? What can we learn by studying stars, planets, and other objects in space? Now, this is the big question that will guide your research. And we're going to start by getting some background from these resources. Now, if you notice, they give us the three resources we're going to work with. So, what you're going to do today is this. You are going to open up this attachment that we gave you. And if you notice, put the nice picture there. Here's that question again. What can we learn by studying stars, planets, and other objects in space? Now, what we're going to ask you guys is don't look up these. Don't get online and look these up yet. What we want you to do is we want you to come up with 6 things that you think before you do any research. That's why it says right here, before research. 6 things that you can learn by studying stars, planets, and other objects in space. And just type those in here. Now, when you're done coming up with your 6, you are going to go to these websites. They're here, and they're right here. You're going to go one at a time to each website, and you're going to come up with answers after looking at those websites. So you're going to go to that first website, and you're going to find 2 things from that first website. So you'll type one here and one there. Then you go to the next website, 2 things again. Third website, your final 2. Okay, and remember, it's all this question. What can we learn by studying stars, planets, and other objects in space? Your own before the research, your own answers. After your research, 2 for each website. Okay? And then we'll get that turned in. Now, the final thing you're going to do with this today is you are going to pick a research path. Now, you'll have to read these 2. We got research path 1, of course, and research path 2. So you're going to want to choose one of these paths. So read through them and decide which one grabs you the most. So that's what we're doing today.